Good evening, everyone. This is Chunmei from Shanghai office. Our hackathon idea is PS Monitor Dashboard. I'm working with Martin, Xiaohui, and Lin. We build a place to know the status of everything we care about. And just in one glance, you can see KPIs, for example, the registration count, login success rate, error rate, and the reset password count. And then you can see the trends and even anonymous. And this can be used as Kanban on TV. And let's see our demo. This is a photo we are taking on the TV in our working area. You can see the data in anonymous status clearly. And this is a dashboard we built as time limited. Currently, we only have login and registration count. And as you can see, the data is on daily basis, and it should refresh every day. And for demo purpose, I will manually refresh it. As you can see, the date. And yeah, the error rate increase, so it become alert status. And when it go back to normal, the alert disappear. And let's see how we implement this. This is our architecture. We build a .NET Core app. First, we export data from Hadoop to AWS S3. Since we don't have permissions to Hadoop server, so currently we export manually. And then we build a cron job to pull states from S3 to local MySQL database. Let's see the cron job. We use a framework called HOMFile. As you can see, currently we have two pullers, one for login states, another one for registration states. And then we build an API to pull the data for the dashboard page to display charts and anonymity. The green part is what we've done in the past 2 days. And the red one is what I just mentioned. Currently, since we have no permission, it is done manually. Looking into the future, we could have more data, more charts, more dimensions. For example, login method, login reset resource, and we can have more anonymity detect strategies. And even you can subscribe the anonymity you care about. Thank you.